What's good, everybody? Bass Drop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro, and welcome to another episode of Clueless Drinker. Why is it called Clueless Drinker? Well, let me tell you. I'm a big fan of Conan O'Brien, and on his show, he has a series called Clueless Gamer. What's so great about that series is he's not a gamer, which makes it really interesting. The same thing goes right now. My channel is Goodies 420. You can see the shirt that I'm wearing, so you can already tell what I'm about. I don't know anything about alcohol. I'm not a bartender. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're still gonna be making drinks and tasting them anyway. So let's go ahead and get into it. What we're doing today is we're gonna be making a mojito. The reason why we're doing this one is because here on YouTube, I have a membership program, and one of my great members is Miss Tammy J. She suggested that we do a mojito with extra lime. Because she's in the membership program, that means that her suggestions go to the top of the list, and so that's what we're going to be doing today. While we're speaking on that, if you're interested in joining the membership program, please do support me here on YouTube. If you don't want to support on YouTube, support on Patreon. If you don't want to do that, at least share the video with your friends and help a brother out. But anyway, Miss Tammy J suggested that we make a mojito, and so that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to make a great mojito, and you already know that it's going to be Goodies 420 style. You know what I'm talking about? So let's go ahead and get into it right now. The first thing I need to tell you before we go on with the video is this video is being sponsored by Magicalbutter.com. Welcome to my Magical Butter kitchen. Use Bass Drop Keys to get 20% off your order with Magicalbutter.com. Also, Magical Butter, they also have a site for CBD now. It is magical.com. Use Bass Drop Keys CBD to get 20% off your order on magical.com, which is the new CBD site. All right, so we took care of the sponsor. Much love to them for sponsoring us. Let's go ahead and get into making this mojito. The first thing that we want to do is we want to start off with a chilled glass. Let me grab it. Here we go. We have our chilled glass right here. I'm going to grab my jigger. We talked about this on the channel previously right here. This is how you measure out your spirits. The smaller side here is a half a fluid ounce. The top one here, the bigger one, is a full fluid ounce. That's how we're going to be measuring our spirits and everything that goes in here. This is how we're going to be measuring it with our jigger right here. All right, so let's go ahead and start building this. We're going to build this in the glass, not in the shaker. We're going to start off with 1 ounce of lime juice. All right, we're going to be using our simple syrup. We're going to do a ½ ounce of simple syrup. This right here is 28 milligrams of THC. I've already done the calculations. 28 milligrams of THC right here. We made this on the channel. Very good. All right, so the next thing that we need is we need our mint leaves. I went to the grocery store once again, and they have fresh mint. Oh, that smells great. And so we're gonna use 5 to 7 leaves of mint, fresh mint. Of course, you can use as much as you want to. Make it as many as you want. All right, the next thing that we need is we need 2 ounces of white rum. You guys seen on the Long Island iced tea video that we did, I use this Bacardi Gold rum. We need a white rum. So I went back to the liquor store and I got the white Bacardi right here, and we need 2 ounces of this. So let's go ahead and use this right here. There we go. 2 ounces. All right, so now what we need is we need our muddler. This is our bartender muddler. And so what you use it for is you basically use it to mush down fruits and herbs in the bottom of your glass. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna push down on it gently. Well, I guess not gently, but we're gonna push down on it. And what we want is we want the oils to come out of those mint leaves. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. And as you press on it, you're going to notice that the drink is actually getting more cloudy because we're actually pushing the oil out of the mint leaves, which is great. You don't want to tear up the leaves, so I'm not really twisting it, I'm just pushing it down. And there we go. Alright, so the next thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and fill this up with ice. So let's grab some ice. Alright, so we have our cup filled with ice. The next thing that we have to do is we need to go ahead and top this off, finish this off with some seltzer. Me, I have some White Claw right here, but you can use whatever you want to use. And there we go. Let's go ahead and grab a straw and stir this up just a little bit here. Oh, look at that. There we go. Now we're talking. Awesome. Let's go ahead and garnish this up with a couple of mint leaves right here. Alright guys, so that's it. That's how you make a great Good Eats 420 style mojito. This is my first mojito that I ever made. Let me taste it and check it out. Oh, I can see why people like that. Oh, that's nice and minty. If you're not a fan of mint, then this drink is not for you. I like that. When I finish this video, I'm definitely going to finish this drink. So guys, that's it. That's how you make a great Good Eats 420 style mojito. Before I get up out of here, I want to do today's subscriber spotlight. Today's subscriber spotlight goes out to Miss Tammy J. I want to thank her for suggesting today's drink, the mojito. I also want to thank her for being a member of the membership program right here on YouTube. If you want to get your own subscriber spotlight, I told you how you could do it a little bit earlier. You can join the membership program here on YouTube. You can come and join us on Patreon, or you can submit a post on Good Eats 420. I really appreciate all the love from everybody. I hope that you found this video helpful, even though I'm not a bartender and I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for everything. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.